Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy with Orange and Scale Easy Guide. First, set your kitchen scale to grams and tare a small bowl. Measure 50 g of granulated sugar and add 10 g of finely powdered dried orange peel. Mix thoroughly through a fine sieve to ensure no clumps. Preheat your cotton candy machine to the manufacturer recommended setting, usually medium heat, before spinning. Warm the sugar mixture by briefly stirring it in a dry pan to release citrus aroma without melting sugar. If you prefer color, add 1 drop of orange food coloring and mix until uniform, avoiding excess liquid. Taste a small sample by spinning a tiny test tuft to confirm sweetness and orange intensity. Adjust by adding 5 g sugar or 2 g orange powder as needed until the balance feels right for your palate. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help us keep making simple tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control has saved me time so I can experiment more with fun recipes like orange cotton candy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, I hope it helps your kitchen routine. Now let's get back to the video. Position a clean cone near the rim of the carbon spinning head and start the motor once the machine reaches steady heat. Pour the prepared sugar mixture slowly into the center of the spinner while rotating your cone in one smooth motion. Collect wisps by turning the cone clockwise, compressing gently for denser tufts or lightly for airy texture. Work in short bursts to prevent burning and allow the machine to recover heat between spins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.